What's good, YouTube? We're back. It's been a while. Got a little sick again. But today, what I'm going to be working on is the E39 behind me, 5 Series. So it's up in the air, got the wheels off. Pretty much what I'm doing is, I got some new wheels coming, so I want to try to get everything straight before I put these brand new wheels on. Not going to tell you what it is. Of course, it's going to be a surprise. Guess they say the wheels probably cost more than the car. I hate saying that, but oh well. But yeah, either way. So what I'm doing is switching out the brakes, replacing the front suspension, the control arms, and painting the calipers and the rotors, like the hat or whatever of the rotor, not the actual rotor, because that's just stupid. So yeah, I'll just do a quick little walk around. As you can see, it's up on the quick jack. Here's the old lone wolf, as I call it. It's got about 65,000 miles on it. Believe it, but like these brakes are maybe a year old, but look how they look. Fucking rock auto, man. That's what happens. You take a cheap route. What I'm gonna do is paint, since I'm replacing these, the rotors itself, I'm just gonna leave that on, and so I don't gotta mask much, but I will go and just clean these up, get the dirt off, prep them, and paint those just in a satin black. Nothing crazy. So yeah, that's crap. Started to prep the rotors here. Little metal thing there, brush, got some sandpaper back there, primer, high heat enamel, brake cleaner, some alcohol for prep. Got rags somewhere around here, but oh, most importantly, the only time I'll wear a mask when working on a car, because I don't want to be breathing in dust and all that crazy shit. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. As far as what I'm doing, I'll clip in, as I work and stuff. This is gonna be over the next few days process, and then after that, I'll be going. I got Beamer Invasion next weekend, so got the M3 over there. Gotta clean that up. Oh, so nice. So yeah, that's pretty much set for as far as what I'm gonna do with that for Beamer Invasion. Nothing more. I have more videos, more content on the G80 after I do this stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I do some driving footage, some just driving talk, whatever. Yeah, whatever else you guys want to see. Oil change, probably do oil change with my daughter. I'm gonna teach her how to do oil change, so she gets to get under there with me. So I'll probably definitely show that. And she loves cars, so that's good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. And let's get to work. Okay. So, made some progress. Let's check it out. Alright, so primered up. Looks pretty good coverage there. Primer these. Primer there. Alright. So, not looking too bad. That's pretty much it. It's like, I'm just doing like a satin black. I need a damn fender liner in here. Shit. There. Real lazy on this side. I didn't even put bags on these. Bucket. Just, you can do what you can do. Yep. Yeah. Easy, affordable DIY project. Just to, you know, mix things up a bit on a stock brake system. Yes, in the comments, what wheels you think I'm going with? It should be here in maybe 2 weeks or so. So yeah, let me know what you think. Comment, subscribe, like, all that shit. Critique, I don't care. I'm just here doing what I does. Hopefully the next video I sound a little bit better. Until next time.